Welcome to the video on GPT 5.5 and Codex, the AI that controls your computer. We'll explore its capabilities in autonomous coding, computer use, agentic workflows, and mass data intelligence. The GPT 5.5 era represents a full generational leap with native reasoning across code, data, and visual tasks. It features a massive 200K plus context window, real-time browser and oxygen monosulfide level permissions, and executes significantly faster than previous generations. A benchmark comparison shows GPT 5.5 leading in key capabilities like autonomous code execution, full OS control, self-validating code, and integrated one-click app deployment. It represents a significant advancement over competitors. There are 4 ways to access the power of the AI. The web chat interface is basic and browser-based. API integration is developer-grade for custom pipelines. The browser extension offers utility and inline assistance. The recommended optimal method is the desktop application, providing maximum permissions and autonomous use. The desktop integration allows the AI agent full access to your machine's GUI, file system, and running applications. This includes mouse and keyboard control, application launcher, file system read/write, browser automation, and background agent mode. When comparing API access versus a premium subscription, the subscription is generally recommended. API pricing is higher and scales linearly, while the premium subscription offers a flat monthly fee for unlimited agentic sessions and full computer use. In this coding demo, a user prompts the AI to build a fully functional 2D checkers game. The AI-generated code includes the game engine, board logic, and other assets, totaling over 847 lines. The AI performs self-testing by executing the code in a browser environment. It even detects a visual anomaly, auto-patches the CSS grid layout, and re-renders the board, validating the game with 0 human intervention required. The new paradigm dramatically shifts the developer workflow. The old feedback loop could take 15 to 45 minutes with constant developer attention. The new paradigm, using an autonomous agent, shortens the cycle to under 3 minutes with 0 human intervention. The self-validating code process involves 3 steps. First, code generation produces structured code. Second, browser execution activates the AI cursor to interact and test all paths. Third, bug detect and fix automatically patches code and delivers production-ready output with 0 human input. The full deployment pipeline goes from a simple prompt to a live URL. The AI handles packaging assets, pushing the application, providing an instant live URL, and offering permanent free hosting with 0 configuration needed. Computer use allows the AI to break out of the chat window and control your entire machine. In this example, the AI autonomously selects and plays trending pop music by performing a sequence of actions like clicking the Start menu and launching the application. The computer use agent has extensive capabilities, including mouse control, keyboard input, file management, and browser navigation. It can also perform app interaction, data entry, email management, and run background tasks 24/7. The Background Agent Manager allows you to schedule tasks like daily market research or email inbox triage. Agents run without interrupting your workflow and can complete tasks even when you are away from your desk. The Mass Research Engine provides a full pipeline from web data to insights in about 20 minutes. It autonomously scrapes over 100 sources, cross-validates data, and compiles it into a multi-tab, color-coded spreadsheet with 0 hallucination errors. The output is a structured spreadsheet, easily ready for executive review. It organizes data by creator, platform, subscribers, average views, niche, email, and growth percentage, ensuring 0 errors in the compilation. This fully automated process can convert raw market research into a clean, professional 5 to 7 page executive pitch deck. The AI extracts key insights, structures the narrative, formats the slides, and renders the final deck instantly. The AI's capabilities extend through a rich plugin and integration ecosystem. Plugins connect the AI to popular tools like GitHub, Notion, Google Sheets, Slack, Google Calendar, AWS S3, Premiere Pro, and Gmail. AI agent version control allows the AI to autonomously manage codebases using Git, making commits, fixing bugs, and pushing updates. The auto-schedule config also lets you set up routine tasks like email triage or weekly deck preparation. Token efficiency is key to doing more and paying less. After hours of heavy work, the monthly allowance is less than 5% used. In a single session, 847 lines of code were generated with 0 errors, and 6 app subscriptions were replaced by 1 AI subscription. The workflow revolution transforms basic tasks into autonomous, multi-step agentic execution. Instead of human input, a natural language command now executes complex, multi-application tasks automatically. In this real-world demo, the video editing agent uses computer use to open Premiere Pro, analyze the audio track, auto-cut dead air, and provide timestamps. The agent's cursor operates autonomously, allowing the user to work simultaneously. The AI benefits various industries. Developers see pipeline automation and faster deployment. Marketing teams gain automated research and reporting. Executives get auto-generated decks and market intelligence. Creators and data analysts also benefit from specialized automation. The AI functions as a digital employee, always on, goal-oriented, and self-correcting. It is a multitasker that runs in the background without interrupting your workflow, executing and delivering finished results autonomously. The agentic workflow connects various inputs like natural language, uploaded data, and web searches to the AI agent core. This core utilizes the computer use layer to output to applications like web apps, Excel, and presentations. The action plan outlines how this technology can be implemented. It covers the initial setup, defining permissions, scheduling the first agentic task, and reviewing the session logs and final output. Regarding security, users maintain control over permissions and can revoke access anytime. Built-in safeguards include encrypted data and local execution, ensuring an audit trail for every action taken. Caution is advised with sensitive applications. The ROI case shows that the AI can replace multiple software subscriptions. By automating routine tasks and eliminating the need for several specialized tools, the AI provides significant cost savings. For effective use, strong, specific prompts are essential for agentic results. Weak, vague prompts lead to poor execution, while defining goals, tools, and output formats yields high-quality, actionable results. Looking ahead, the future of agentic AI includes multi-agent collaboration, real-time voice-commanded workflows, and persistent memory across sessions in the near term. The long-term horizon includes fully autonomous business operations and AI networks replacing departments. This chart illustrates the performance leap from generation to generation, highlighting the speed and intelligence gains. You can see the continuous upward trend in capabilities across the models. To summarize, the 5.5 revolution is a true generational leap, not incremental. The desktop app is crucial for full autonomous control, and subscriptions offer better value for heavy users. The development feedback loop is eliminated, and the AI acts as your digital employee, allowing you to start simple and scale fast. The future of autonomous agents that write, test, deploy, research, and operate your computer is here today. Start by installing the desktop app, enabling computer use, and running your first agentic workflow.